Hello, friends. It's Moinina here. If you work remotely, travel frequently, or have friends and co-workers in different countries, juggling multiple time zones can be a crucial skill. I know this firsthand. Living in Hungary with friends all over the world and family in Sierra Leone, it is a daily challenge to keep track of everyone's time, whether they are awake, and if the message will be timely or get lost in their inbox. To manage this, I rely on several helpful clock apps and features in Gmail and other tools. These help me schedule meetings and send messages at the right time, ensuring I don't disturb anyone's sleep and that my messages are noticed. In this video, I'll share some of my favorite tech tools for a seamless communication across multiple time zones. Time zone confusion is a thing of the past with Word Time Buddy. This tool stands out with its simple and clean design. Here is how you can use it. First, search and add the cities or time zones you are dealing with. You can see hourly schedule for each location, with working hours highlighted in yellow and off hours in blue. If you sign up for a free account, you can sync your calendar with this tool, making it easier to find the best time for meetings. Go to Settings, select Calendar, enable it, and click Done. The best part, you can use it to create events in Google Calendar, Outlook. Here is how. Select time range by click and dragging on the hour tiles and open the selection in Calendar, Web App, or copy to clipboard. Additionally, you can even create event pages to share publicly. Keep the World Time Body website open in your browser by pinning it. Right-click the tab in Safari or Chrome and select Pin. On the go, use the World Time Body app for quick time zone conversion. It is available for both Android and iPhone users. Google Calendar offers great features for displaying secondary time zones. In your Google Calendar settings, under time zone, enable display secondary time zone. You will be able to see hour by hour agenda in 2 time zones, which makes finding time for meeting much easier. In the same setting page, enable show work clock to display times for various locations in the left column, with sun and moon denoting day and night. Ensure your messages are timely by scheduling them in advance. In Gmail, click the down arrow next to the send button when composing an email to schedule it. Note, however, that the times are your local time, not the recipient. However, if you receive an email late at night and you don't want to forget it, you can snooze it in Gmail to bring it back to the top of your inbox in the morning. It is helpful to let others know what time zone you are in. I like to add a link to my email signature. This links to a Google search showing the current time. For setting up meetings, You can create an appointment booking page in Google Calendar. Just be mindful of the L ticket when sending scheduling links. There will always be times when someone reaches out to you while you are asleep or busy. To avoid being disturbed, set up a do not disturb schedule on your phone. You can customize this on both iOS and Android. For iOS, sweep down from the top of your screen to open the control center. Tap the focus button, the crescent moon, to turn on do not disturb. With these tools and settings, navigating different time zones becomes much easier to communicate more effectively without the stress of timing mishaps. Got your own favorite tools or tips? Drop them in the comment. I would love to hear from you. And if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech tip. See you in the next video.